Welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at Dogecoin. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you had invested your $1,200 stimulus check or your whole life saving account into Dogecoin? Will people call you crazy?
Right. I am crazy.
Well, meet the Dogecoin millionaire who's holding onto his bag. In February, Glauber Contessoto decided to invest his whole life saving into Dogecoin. His friend questioned his mental soundness. And now that his decision has made him a millionaire on paper, many may also be bewildered by his decision to not liquidate his investment. Contessoto told New York Times that his friend and family called him crazy when he made the decision that made him a millionaire. It's a joke coin. It's a meme. It's going to crash, his friend said. I bet he replied,
I don't give a fuck.
Still, the market are hardly following good sense these days. Dogecoin has grown to become a network more valuable than blue chip company Ford Motor and Kraft. The value of Contessoto investment is now about $2 million, making him the perfect example of what the article described as a new kind of hyper online investor who's winning by applying the skill of digital attention economy, sharing memes, cultivating buzz, producing endless stream of content for social media to the financial market. Okay, maybe you don't have that much in your saving, or be willing to go into debt to get rich. So how much is your $1,200 worth now if you had invested in crypto last year? Investors who put their $1,200 stimulus check into Bitcoin in April now have around $11,000. If you had put your $1,200 stimulus check on Dogecoin the same time last year and held it until today, you now have $228,000. Let that sink in. With Ethereum, you would have $17,381.